Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Armored Pig. Today we're going to be going over February 2023's Critical Dice Endless Bag of Dice XL version. Boom, there it is. So check it out. Let's get started. What do you say? Dump it all out. A little bit of a struggle as usual. But man, these things are themed for the month of love, let me tell you. This is the Cherry Ice dice with the barred button, and it's also got the Cherry Blossom dice, I believe is what it said. So, Jack of all trades, the Bard. Very fitting because it's the month of love. Then at the bottom again, Cherry Ice. Oop, that one was in the wrong pile, but hey, yeah, no mind. So, let's look at the Cherry Blossom here. Very awesome, very February-ish. Look at that 20. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at it! Just kidding. Anyway, so yeah, I say that we give these guys a roll, and I talked right over that one, so let's do it again. I mean, this is what it is. These ones are cool. Remind me of one of those cream candies once more. Like a strawberry cream popsicle or something like that. But the lime green or bright green or whatever they use for inking, very easy to see it. Very much invokes that springtime feeling. And I talked over another roll. That one tried to get away. And so did that one. But it wasn't so bad. So yeah, here we go. Cherry Blossom. Yeah. And then the Cherry Spring, I believe, time of dice. 16 something per month for both these sets, plus it gets mailed to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click that button, ring the bell, follow me on my other channels and social media. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you later.